Hey everybody. If you've been messing around with the new UE5 beta, you might have noticed that there pops up an error every time you create a blank project. It tells you should update the project files, but that doesn't make any sense. You already made a new project, why does it need to update? So let's create a blank project to find out. Now you can see in the corner there's a project file is out of date. What would you like to do? Well, see, this message is actually harmless. The reason it pops up is because you have Quixel Bridge installed. So you can choose to update or not update, it's your choice really. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you liked the content, please consider subscribing. Press the like button, press the dislike button, I don't really care. Good night everybody.